Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome to Anikaz Channel. Today I have turned myself into the Desi version of Princess Aurora, who is known as Sleeping Beauty. This look is all about pink and prettiness, and it's gorgeous. I love it. So all my new viewers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and everyone please give this video a thumbs up and share it to your friends and family. If you guys want to see how I have come up with this look, then please keep on watching. I hope you all will love this. So I already moisturized my face. I am adding the Fourthray Mellow Mist Milk and just letting it sink into my skin. Then I'm color correcting my face using the pink shade from Anastasiya Beverly Hill's Cream Contour Palette, and I am just putting it wherever I have hyperpigmentation or any kind of like dark spots I want to hide, and I'm using my finger to do that. So for foundation, I'm using the Loreal Infallible 24 Hours Foundation. The shade is Caramel Beige. This is a medium coverage foundation, yet I love this foundation because it has the perfect undertone I need, which is the warm undertone. I love it on my skin. You guys can see it looks very pretty and beautiful on my skin. And I'm using the Real Techniques Beauty Blender to blend all this in. So I did my brows off camera. If you guys want to see how I do my brows, I will give you guys the link in the description box. Today I will be using the Jacklyn Hill Volume 2 palette. It's a gorgeous palette. I just got it very recently. The first shade I'm using called Tipsy Girl. I am just putting it as my transition color. I'm kind of like going messy with it. I'm not focusing on one spot, but definitely keeping my lid clean for this, because we will be adding some glitter there. Then I'm going with the shade called Dance Party, and I am just deeping up my outer V and also like putting it in my crease, and again blending it with the Real Techniques blending brush. No extra product taken, just blending it. Now I'm just cleaning my lid space using some concealer. This is no cut crease look, it's just to clean my lid space because the pink is everywhere and it's really pigmented that it sits everywhere. So just cleaning the area out. Then I'm going with the shade called Talia. It's a very beautiful gold shade. Just packing it on my lid using my finger. Then I'm just blending all this in with the Real Techniques blending brush. So I just did a very small wing. I believe Princess Aurora has very big eyes, which I don't. So I normally don't do any eyeliner, but for this look I wanted to because I think it's just gonna complement the look more better. Just very small wing using my Maybelline ink eyeliner. So I just popped some falsies. It's the Lottie Lashes by Huda Beauty. It's very pretty, you guys can see. Now I am just adding some black, which is the Temptress from the same palette. Just making sure my inner corners are looking nice. So to contour my face, I will be using the Fenty Beauty Trio. It's the contour shade from the trio. It's a cream contour. To be honest, I was debating should I get it or not, because I was not sure if this is the right color for me, right contour shade for me or not, but I got it anyways. And to be honest, I'm really happy that I got it, and it's the perfect contour shade for my skin tone. I can tell you guys. You guys can see it just so pretty on my skin, and yeah, it's complementing the look also. It's really pretty. I love it. But yeah, I was having a little hard time blending the contours with my brush. I probably shouldn't have like put all and then blend it. I probably should have done like one side first then the other, but I went back with my beauty blender and blend all these lines, and you guys can see it's looking pretty. So for my nose contour, I use the same stick and I'm just blending it with the Morphe nose contour brush, and you guys can see I was having some hard time blending that, so I went over with the beauty blender. Then I am concealing my regular areas where I love to conceal, under eyes, around my mouth, bridge of my nose, and some under the contour line. I'm using the Loreal Infallible Concealer. The shade is Amber. I love this concealer. You guys know I literally use it for all my looks. You guys already know if you guys have been following me. It just brightens up my face like right that moment. I love it. Then I'm going with some bronzer. It's also by Fenty. I think it called bajan gyal. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, it's also a beautiful bronzer. I was also not sure should I get it or not, how it's gonna look on my skin, but you guys can see it just perfect for my skin, and beautiful. It's very beautiful. Then also not forgetting my nose, using the same Morphe nose contour brush. It's time to set my under eyes, or like around my mouth, wherever I have put concealer. I'm just setting it with the Huda Beauty setting powder and dusting them off. Didn't bake it, just kept it for like couple seconds. And yeah, dusting off any kind of powders I have on my face. It looks flawless. Then again, going over with the same bronzer, just giving it a little more warmth to my face. Then adding some blush using my Real Techniques blush brush. I love this brush. It's so soft. Oh my god, I really love it. I love this brush. It's very fluffy. Adding some highlighter, it's the As Well Shimmering Body Powder. The shade is Soft Pink. So now I'm adding a very bright pink shade from the palette called Dance Party. I'm working very close to my my waterline, and kind of like giving my eye a very bright look, because it's all about princess look. And then I'm going over with a clean brush and kind of like blending it so that there is no harsh line left. So for the lips, I first went over with a lip liner. It's by NYX. It's a very pretty brown creamy lip liner, and I love it. I will give you guys the product details in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out if you guys are wondering. And this lip liner is so close to my lip color, so I will be using it more often. So then for the cream lipstick, I'm using Morphe Kiss List. It's the shade Boho. It's from the set, and it has some shimmer to it, which just complemented the look, and I think it just very pretty. Are you guys ready for the magic? Ta-da! I hope you all have enjoyed watching me creating this beautiful Desi Princess Aurora look. Don't forget to let me know in the comment box below, and everyone, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it to your friends and family. I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, everyone, take care and stay safe. Ta-ta!